In this video, you are going to see how to insert a histogram chart in Microsoft Word document, as you can see here. Let's get started. To insert a histogram chart, let us go to Insert. Let us go to Chart and choose this option, Histogram. And here you will find two types. Let us choose the first one and click on OK. Then the histogram chart will be inserted. Let me remove it. Let me write the chart title over here. Now select the chart. Let us decrease its size. If you want to move it freely, click on this option and click on in front of the text. Now you can move it freely. Click on the chart, go to chart design. If you want, you may choose another type of style from here. You can change the color from here very easily. If you want to edit the data, click on over here, go to edit data, increase its size from here, and you can easily change the data and it will be reflected in your chart. Let us close it. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.